In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make glow in Affinity Photo. We'll walk through a clean, reliable way to add both inner and outer glow so your subject stands out with a soft, professional finish. Start by opening Affinity Photo and loading the image you want to enhance. Once it's on your canvas, look to the Layers panel and click the layer that contains your subject or the element you plan to glow. Making sure this layer is selected is important because the effect will apply to whatever is active in the Layers panel. Next, head to the Quick FX area. You'll typically find this as the FX button or the Quick FX tab near the Layers panel. Clicking it opens the layer effects for the selected layer. This is a non-destructive way to add style, which means you can come back and tweak things at any time without harming your original image. Enable Inner Glow. This effect adds light just inside the edges of your subject. Choose a color that complements your image. Warm tones can feel inviting, while cool tones can look modern or sci-fi. Adjust opacity to control intensity. If the glow feels harsh, lower the opacity until it gently lifts the edges. Then set the radius to define how far the glow spreads inward. A small radius keeps the glow tight and crisp. A larger radius creates a broad, dreamy haze. If you're working with a high-resolution image, you may need a bigger radius to see the effect clearly. Now repeat the process with outer glow. Turn it on in the same Quick FX panel and choose a matching or slightly brighter color for a consistent look. Again, fine-tune opacity for strength and radius for spread. Inner glow shapes the inside edge. Outer glow creates that visible halo around the outside. Together they produce a balanced, eye-catching highlight. As you adjust, zoom in to judge edges and zoom out to check overall impact. Subtlety usually looks more natural, and you can always nudge the sliders if you want a bolder style. That's all there is to it. Select your layer, open Quick FX, apply inner glow, then mirror those settings with outer glow.